Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to fix compare at price and show sale price in Shopify. Quick fix. Have you ever wondered how to effectively show your customers just how much they're saving when they shop from your online store? Well, today, we are diving into the world of Shopify to tackle a common challenge, setting up the compare at price and displaying those enticing sale prices that grab attention. This feature is crucial if you want to highlight discounts on your products, creating that eye-catching strike-through effect that not only informs customers of savings but also encourages them to make a purchase. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Shopify.com. Once you're on the website, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you directly to the Shopify admin dashboard, which is your command center for managing all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the dashboard's homepage, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see the main navigation menu, a vital tool for accessing different areas of your store. From this menu, click on the Markets section. This is an important step because the Markets section deals with how prices and currencies are shown in various regions where you sell your products. It is here that we need to make a key adjustment. After clicking on Markets, you'll see a list of the markets you've currently activated. Go ahead and select the active market you're using. This could be your primary market or a specific region you've set up for your store. Once you've selected your desired market, shift your gaze to the right side of the screen. You'll find an option labeled Compare at Price. Click on this option to proceed. This feature controls whether the compare at price is visible to your customers or hidden from view. You'll notice a checkbox that says Hide Compare Prices. If this box is ticked, it means your compare at prices are not showing on your storefront, which might be the issue you're facing. Simply uncheck this box to make the compare at prices visible to your customers. After doing so, click the Save button to apply these changes. This step is crucial because, without enabling this setting, even if you set compare at prices on individual products, they won't display to your customers. Now that you've enabled the compare at price feature globally, let's move on to setting it up on your actual products. Return to the left side of your dashboard and click on Products. This will take you to your catalog, where all the products you're selling are listed. From this list, choose any product you want to add a discount or sale price to. Once you're on the product page, scroll down to find the section labeled Price. This is where you can set your product's selling price and compare at price. Within this section, you'll see a field called Compare. Click on this field to activate it, and now input the compare at price. For instance, if your product is currently selling for $20 but was originally $30, you would enter $30 in this field. It's important to ensure that the compare at price is always higher than your selling price to effectively display the discount. This higher price will appear with a strike-through on your storefront, while your actual selling price will be prominently displayed next to it, showing customers exactly how much they're saving. Once you've entered your compare at price, click the Save button at the top of the page to ensure all changes are properly saved. Give it a moment to process, and double-check that everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled compare at pricing in Shopify and set up discount sale prices on your products. Now, your customers can clearly see the savings they'll enjoy, making your store more appealing and potentially boosting your sales. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to fix compare at price and show sale price in Shopify. Quick fix. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.